Hello everyone, my name is Ahmed Sadeq, and today I'm gonna present my dissertation topic, which is key barriers for implementing BIM successfully for both small and large scale projects in UAE. So, in table of contents of this dissertation topic, we will have background, problem statement, research question, and visibility, research objectives, proposed methodology. Background. In background, we're gonna go briefly define BIM. BIM stands for Building Information Modeling. It's a digital representation of building or infrastructure project. BIM encompasses a collection of digital tools and technologies used to generate and manage information and data throughout the life cycle of construction projects. Encompasses the development, construction, and operation stages. And there are so many benefits of implementing BIM, facilitate collaboration among projects, stakeholders, and improve coordination, communication, and information sharing. BIM helps detect clashes, optimize construction sequencing, reduce errors, and enhance visualization and decision making throughout the life cycle, project life cycle. BIM can be used for facility management, sustainable design, and energy analysis. However, despite its potential benefits, there are several challenges implementing BIM in our region for the small and large projects. And these challenges include resistance to change and reluctance to adopt a new process and methodologies. Also, lack of standardized BIM process and guidelines for small projects, limited awareness and understanding of BIM among stakeholders, cultural and organizational challenges in implementing collaboration and interdisciplinary work flow. Also, complex projects requirements and coordination among project stakeholders. Problem statement and significant research. The first point is the successful implementation of building information modeling in both large and small construction projects in UAE is hindered by several key barriers. So, we will understanding and addressing these barriers for achieving effective adoption and utilization of BIM technology, leading to improved project outcomes and industry advancement, and provide valuable insights for researchers, industry professionals, and policymakers to develop strategies and solutions for overcoming these barriers. Next, advance knowledge and understanding by comprehensively identifying and analyzing the specific barriers that impede BIM implementation in the UAE construction industry. Also, contribute to improve project performance through better collaboration, reduced errors and rework, streamlined workflow, and enhanced project coordination. And finally, benefits stakeholders by offering a comprehensive understanding of the barrier to BIM implementation, enable informed decision making, resource allocation, and risk mitigation strategies. Research question. My research question will be, what are the primary barriers hindering the successful implementation of BIM information modeling in both large and small projects in the UAE? And what strategy can be recommended to overcome these barriers? This research question focus on identifying and understanding the key challenges and obstacles faced in implementing BIM in UAE, while also seeking potential solution and recommendation to address these barriers. Objectives. The first objective is identify the primary barriers hindering the successful implementation of BIM in both large and small projects. Examine the specific challenges faced by stakeholders in adopting the implementation BIM in UAE. Thirdly, develop recommendations and strategies tailored to UAE construction industry to overcome the identified barriers to successful BIM implementation. Also explore the potential benefits and drawbacks of adopting BIM in small and large scale projects in the UAE, and how do these factors impact the successful implementation. And finally, we will explore the strategies can be employed to overcome the key barriers for implementing BIM effectively in both small and large projects in UAE. So to achieve this research, here are some proposed methodology. Firstly, literature review. Conduct an extensive review of existing literature on BIM implementation, specifically focusing on studies related to barriers, challenges, and strategies in the UAE construction industry. Secondly, data collection. Primary data collection methods include interviews, surveys, and case studies. Key stakeholders such as industry professionals, project managers, contractors, and government representatives are targeted. The purpose is to gather insight of the barriers faced during BIM implementation and the strategies used to overcome them. Interview allow for personalized perspectives. Surveys provide broader data, and case study offer real-world example. So the collected data will provide valuable perspectives on barriers and strategies in BIM implementation for analysis and recommendation. Thirdly, data analysis. The collected data using qualitative and quantitative methods depends on the nature of the data. Thematical analysis, content analysis, or statistical analysis may be used to identify common themes, patterns, and trends related to barriers and strategies. And finally, recommendation and guidelines. Present the final recommendation and guidelines for industry professionals, policymakers, and stakeholders to effectively implement them and overcome barriers. Thank you.